This semester, I'm working on a composing project called The Last of the 300 Worlds. I'm going to keep my project journal in video form. Stardate 01.29.19. So this weekend I was trying to get my new software to work, and I was installing and uninstalling and updating preferences. Finally, I got so frustrated I said, I'm just going to stick an audio cable in the back of the computer and plug it into the front. My husband said, no, that's not a good idea. Well, why not? So then we had one of those conversations. By the time we got to impedance, I started to really miss my dad. So I gave him a call. So Dad and I talked about impedance matching. We talked about when he used to work with cable television, how he built an oscilloscope from a Heathkit. We talked about the science fiction that we used to read together when I was a teenager. And we talked about life on other planets. Which brings me around to the point of this video. About 2 years ago, I started playing a video game called No Man's Sky. And in the last year, it's gotten a lot more complicated. But when it started out, it was just a simple planet exploration game. I explored 300 worlds. I've gone through my video footage, and I've picked out some of the ones that I think are the most beautiful and evocative. And I would like to compose music about my travels in this virtual world. This is my home planet. So here's some of the raw materials I'll be using as I compose this semester. I call this Dr. Suiter's theme. We generated it the first week of class. And this is a theme that I wrote. I just want to point out, you see that step there? That step right there. That took me 2 days. So that's what I have for now. We'll see where this project wants to go. This is Avi, the Bird Brain Gamer. See you in about 2 weeks. Have a good semester, everybody.